Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Surf expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This one is a hedging and grid style system on pairs like the AUDCAD on the 1 hour time frame with position multipliers and trailing, but the developer shows solid backtests, and I also ran my own test to see how it holds up in real market. So in this video we're going to break everything down, so ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advice, so we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now we're talking about the Surf expert advisor. It was developed by Rostem Gabdidinov from Russia, and it goes for just 45 US dollars, and it was last updated on the 2nd of February 2024. We have just one review, but the user didn't leave any comment, and we have no comments from even the developer himself or whosoever that has used this expert advisor. But that aside, let's talk about the strategy. The Soft Expert Advisor uses a combination of hedging and grid logic with dynamic or fixed lot sizing. Also, it uses trailing stops and multipliers for position sizing. It allows trading in all directions. It also has grid steps and includes protections like the max spread and slippage filters. They highlight consistent growth with good profit factors and also manageable drawdowns and the ability to ride trends while hedging against reversals. It is marketed as versatile for different market conditions on measures and courses. Now they ran some backtests. We have some numbers and information to bite upon. Their initial deposit was $200. This is written in Russian, but the total net profit was $1,840. That is very, very impressive. They have a win rate of 73% and a profit factor of 4.54 out of 407 trades taken in total. All of these are impressive numbers, very impressive numbers. But what I can point out from their own backtest is the equity drawdown. The max equity drawdown is 30%, which is on the high side. And also the balance drawdown is just 3.454%, which means that the grid and recovery style, the system kicked in to recover whatsoever drawdown that happened to the equity back to the balance to be able to close in such high profits. Now, you should know that this is a very, very risky approach to trading, but the expert advisor seems to be successful with it. And the key settings include the trade direction. I'm going to close this. Includes the trade direction, the starting position, the starting lot size, actually the take profit levels, the grid step, all of this can be adjusted, and also the position multiplier. Then there is the trading hours, the max spread, and also the slippage. You can also edit and adjust all of this to fit. It supports both fixed and dynamic modes with clear risk controls for live trading. Now let's look at my backtest. I ran a backtest on the Soft Expert Advisor on AUDCAD as recommended on the 1 hour time frame, and it was from June 2025 to June 2026, which is 1 year, with a $10,000 deposit, and the total net profit came in around $634 from a $10,000 deposit, and the profit factor was 2.28. We have a max equity drawdown of a reasonable, actually max balance drawdown of a reasonable 3%, but the equity drawdown was on the higher side, just like in their backtest. We had 13% equity drawdown, but the win rate was solid. win rate was 64% out of 84 trades taken in total. Now the equity curve trends upwards overall with some very, very visible dips. We have one here, we have one major one here. This dip is quite big. Yeah, but during this, the grid phases helped with good recovery to close back in profits. And comparing this to the developers' claims, this is realistic and positive and also more recent. I'll say the hedging and multiplier helped capture moves without blowing the account up. And also the features that mattered are the grid step, which is adjustable, and the multiplier, which worked in trending spots, and also the trailing protected profits, the spread, the slippage filters. All of this kept things clean. I use the default settings, the default inputs in running my backtest. As it came from the developer, I didn't have to fix or change anything. If you need some specific set files, you have to send a private message to the developer himself to connect you and give you set files which you can use. But this version, I just used the default settings from the developer, and they have some recommendations here so you don't go blowing your account up. The minimum deposit should just be 100 units, which is like $100, but that's for 0.01 lots, and for 1000 units you can use 0.1 lots. The account type should also be hedged, and the default parameters are given for 5-digit quotes, which means that the default parameters that we used in the backtest are for 5-digit accounts. And before installing this, you should run the tester. You should always test, because the profits and drawdowns as depicted in all these backtests can differ depending on the type of trader, depending on the risk and the lot size that the trader is using. Yeah. Now, my verdict for this Surf expert advisor is that it's a capable hedging and grid expert advisor with decent controls that performed okay in this test. Nuances will include drawdown spikes during ranging or strong reversals and broker dependency for hedging accounts. The implications will mean that it needs proper capital buffer and it works best in volatile but not extreme conditions. But it's for experienced traders with hedging who can monitor and use conservative multipliers. But if you don't like floating losses, you should avoid it. If you run non-hedging prop accounts, you should also avoid it. And if you want pure trend following, you should also avoid this expert advisor. But I always advise that you demo test it first before you make any decisions and spend your money. Now, like the video if this real tests help you out, because I know they did. Subscribe and hit notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description. The link is below. Thank you for watching. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.